The first page you will arrive at is the home page. From this page, you will be able to access all other pages that this ebook holds. Scroll down to view the four themes and the chapters within them, including the four primers. Read about the five key capacities that we hope you will gain after reading this book. The Reading I Think Biology and About I Think Biology sections include details about how to use this resource if you are a student or teacher of biology. All the pages of the book are also accessible through the navigation bar on the left hand side of your screen. This includes the four themes, the 10 chapters, and the four primers. You can also find your way to particular sections of each chapter. Through this navigation bar, you will have access to other important pages of the ebook, such as the glossary, which holds all the definitions of important terms used in the book, the exercise answers from all the chapters, the research highlights present in the chapters, as well as all the recorded interviews with scientists in the videos page. In the Doing Biology page, we have also curated a list of work and research opportunities for biology students based in India. Each chapter is designed with several interactive features. Each glossary term will be present in a box which can be clicked to access the definition of that term. Any text that is underlined is a link. This could be a link to other locations of the ebook as well as external sites that will aid your understanding of a particular concept. References are also available by clicking the number in superscript. Some figures will be present in a slideshow layout. You will need to click each slide to access the figures. Critical thinking boxes appear throughout the book. Click the arrow to access hints that will help you answer the question. Notice side notes on the right hand side of your screen for interesting points relevant to the section that you are reading. Attempt the exercises in the chapters and check if your answers are correct. You will also notice extra reading drop down boxes in all the chapters. Click the button to access these readings. At the end of each chapter is a quiz. Attempt these questions and check if your answers are correct. Finally, we have also added a bookmark function to this resource. Click on any portion of the book and use the bookmark symbol to activate the bookmark at that location. You can then view all your saved bookmarks from the navigation bar. In some of the chapters, you will find a research highlights box. This section will introduce you to a research paper. Use the download button to download the paper to your device. Within the PDF file, the authors have left comments to help guide you read the paper.